Thank you. Thank you very much. It is great to be here with the American innovators, the builders, and the patriots who are ready to make history. Past generations of Americans pursued big dreams and daring projects that once seemed absolutely impossible. They transformed American life with the interstate highway system. Magnificent it was. They won the space race and launched a vast network of satellites. Today, our country has lost its boldness, and frankly, it was holding back the great American worker. For too long, we have stood by and watched as our bridges crumbled, our grids failed, and our broadband lagged behind. But those days are over. Under my leadership, we will get it back in a very big way. We are here today to talk about the future, and frankly, it is the most beautiful future you can imagine. We are not just going to pave a road, we are going to build the brains of the 21st century American economy. I am signing an executive order to launch the Intelligent Infrastructure Economic Zone program, and mark my words, this will not just be my legacy, it will be the golden age of American achievement, eclipsing even Eisenhower's interstate highway system. Eisenhower built with steel and concrete. We are building the backbone of Industry 4.0 with fiber, power, intelligent infrastructure, and American-made AI. They say this convergence, merging the digital world with the physical world, is too complicated. They say no single government agency can handle it. Wrong. They don't understand that to build at this level, you need a different kind of leader. You need someone who knows real estate, who can cut complex deal structures, and who can negotiate across diverse interests. From City Hall to the biggest investors on Wall Street, nobody in history is more uniquely positioned to lead this nation forward with intelligent infrastructure than I am. We take on the big jobs and we finish them. We don't just build roads, we build intelligent superhighways. But this is not just on our roadways. It is going to power our ports, our cities, our communities, and the marvelous mega campus of our business community. Establishing the Intelligent Infrastructure, Commerce, and Defense Act. This act will encourage the deployment of the intelligent infrastructure and the use of autonomous systems in commerce and for other purposes. Intelligent infrastructure will stimulate economic expansion, support our national security, and create millions of new jobs, helping to secure our national sovereignty and global productivity. Working with our bold transportation Secretary Sean Duffy, our commerce genius Secretary Lutnick, our warrior Pete Hegseth, our atomic revival Secretary Chris Wright, our homeland defender Kristi Noem, our economic development Secretary Scott Turner, our data Chairman Brendan Carr, and dozens of senators, we will boldly push this act forward. We are going to put intelligent infrastructure everywhere, down our highways, in master-planned communities, our airports, our borders, and even in entertainment venues. The new gold standard, the continuum of capital. This monumental build is not coming out of your pocket, no. This is the continuum of capital, the American competitive model. We've got the greatest financial minds in the world standing shoulder to shoulder with us. Look at Jamie Dimon and JP Morgan Chase. They just launched a massive $1.5 trillion initiative highlighting intelligent infrastructure. Jamie Dimon is proving to be our generation's J.P. Morgan or a David Rockefeller. He is mobilizing the private capital that will crush our competition. This is how we counter the foreign threats, not just with ships, but with a smarter economy. When China pushes the Belt and Road Initiative and their military-civil fusion, we respond by dominating the technology they want to control. We make the United States the unquestioned leader, forging our next golden age. This is not a concept. This is concrete action that addresses our most important national priorities. Broadband for all, done. Universal connectivity for every American, Next-G Wireless, secure communications for our economy, our homes, and for the DoD Golden Dome and our warfighters. Autonomy 2.0. We are enabling the FAA Next-Gen resilient electrical grids and the ASOCs, the control centers that will put our economy on hyperdrive. Most importantly, intelligent infrastructure will create resilient supply chains to support the rapid rebirth of our industrial manufacturing, particularly those that rely on vital assets like ships and submarines, which require efficient, predictable, and resilient logistics. The convergence between AI and telecom presents an unprecedented opportunity for renewed U.S. leadership globally. We are seizing that opportunity. Intelligent infrastructure economic zones will dramatically increase the velocity of money and deliver an unprecedented productivity boom. We are going to drive our GDP past 4%, and the world will stand back and watch the greatest economic expansion in human history. This is the golden age. We are building it together. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America.